today's video, we're going to be seating the valves onto the head. We're also going to be installing the spring, the retainers, the valve seals, and the keepers onto the head. I'm going to fast forward everything so you guys won't get bored and you can just see the process. Thank you for watching my videos. See you. Don't want to be a peace. Adios.
That's what they use. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, that is what they use.
That's what I said.
Hey yo, I forgot. My bad.
That's $40 over there. I can use that for free. $40 to get this piece done. But this is so good. Yeah. Oh, but this is so good.
Yo, look, I forgot to show you this. Look, this shit right here. You see that little black mark? Yeah, that's the beginning starts of a misfire and loss of compression.
Yeah,
so like,
we see.
yeah, no, that's because like since it was leaking oil and then probably like the car was in tune and shit, that shit starts doing that, and then this starts. It's supposed to look like that the whole time. And you see how it has that little dark mark right there. It's crazy.
That's good to know.
Just trying to clean it up as much as I could.
Is there another silver? Not shiny.
Yeah, I mean, as much as I could. I want to take it all off, but it's gonna be a bitch. No. If you're gonna willy, bro, continue it. Let me stop talking shit.
I just want to ride. Next year, hopefully. Yeah, next year.
Nigga, so you said that, right? You spend that. Yo, I don't even want to know how much I fucking got. I don't even want to know.
That's not including taxes, labor, or shipping.
I don't want to know. Because my shit had like 8 swaps already in it. That cool.
Smells like rain.
Especially when it was turbo too, that's where all the money goes.
Yeah, and then when it
Money
was
gets
turbo.
drained out the
I mean, I just saved the labor per se.
for you, yeah.
But still, like, I still gotta pay for everything else. There you go. That looks better. The E85 will clean that up.
I'm gonna have to grab gas when we get it tuned.
Well, we're gonna have to.
He sells some there. Wish he did.
What she what?
I wish he did. Sell gas there, so I won't have to stop.
Yeah, I wish so.
Not even race gas. No race gas neither.
Yeah, but not 85. That's what we're tuning on.
Why you got sneakers on?
We're tuning on 85.
I can't mix. Not even with race gas.
Well, no, 85 is considered
I know, but I know there's different race gas numbers.
you don't want to
Yeah,
try different shit because that's it's gonna be your daily car also.
Yeah. Suction cups here. Valve flapper. It came with that?
What?
It came with that?
What? The cylinder head.
Oh, that's the thing I bought.
Well, you don't need that much on there.
The red one.
Yeah, just open that up for me.
Creamy cream.
I'll be mad. Bye, mamas. I knew she was going to sleep. 1, 2, 3, hold it. Give me that bottle. It's over.
Boom. First one in.
Baby, your bottle, it's over.
está tú?
I can show you right now. It's better to show you than to tell you.
You gotta speak for yourself.
Yeah, I'll show you when I take it out.
I thought you was installing it.
Oh, no, this is part of the whole. I gotta do this to all of it.
For how long?
Depends.
Just hook it up to like a
screws back in?
Nah, I'm seating the valve.
Oh, okay.
Alright, give me a sec, babe. Hold on. I can't use this one for anything else.
Oh, it looks super different than all the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made a whole new seat. Like it basically learned the valve on the head again, like brand new.
And this one is different too.
So you
like
will see now when I wipe it up.
Wow. And it doesn't come on. Look at the difference compared to this one. That one compared to that one. Dang. Oh, we got 6:15 more to go. At least we can see now that it's clearer. This is the side he did. And I'll drop this head and it's off balance. My boy cheat these work. Get it somewhere. He did all that. Alright, we'll be back.
Mickey on the track.
Yeah, baby. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my way? But first off, I'ma start by saying this. All hands shots if you think you can take my bitch. And I'm too turned when I shoot, swear I won't miss. Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, this is something you should know. I don't ever chase no hoes. Spotted you, you had that girl. Watch me pull out all this dough. Take you where you want to go. Flexing on your ex, I know. He ain't never take you out. Barely even left your house. How dare that nigga run his mouth when his pocket's in a drought? The last single he put out didn't even make it out. And he dumb as hell, and I swear his ass don't think. And he disrespect 2 shots and I won't blink. Never really care what the fuck these niggas think. I got deep pockets, I swear my shit's on sync. And he mad as fuck, big Sue up all she sing. And he mad as fuck, big Sue up in her dreams. When he mad as fuck, when they sex she scream for me. Big Sue up, what these niggas should be. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my bed? But first off, I'ma start by saying this. All hands shots if you think you can take my bitch. And I'm too tough when I shoot, swear I won't take two to the head. 'Cause baby, you the baddest. Baby, you the baddest. All this money, I'ma cash it. And I'm swerving all in traffic. While I'm trapping out the mansion. And I'm moving through the tri-state. You 200 on the highway. And I'm swerving in my eye. Baby, you should come my way. Squad.
Side is done. We get you some lighting in one track so you can see. There you go with the beautiful spin to lost motion. And just keep the mouth port.
That wraps it up for today's video. If you like this video, bam, you already know what to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm supposed to be getting the water degreed. So let's see. I'll get that done at a machine shop or whoever does it, because I don't know how to do it. We don't know how to do it. We have an idea, but we're not gonna risk it. So we just rather have it done professionally, and then from there we just slap everything together. Thank you for watching my videos. See you. Don't wanna be a peace. Adios.